Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Sami from Civil Engineers, and today I'm gonna talk about this construction site. So here are some mistakes which I want to discuss the front of you. So this is construction site. Now this is farm work. So if you come to this farm work, so there are more mistakes. You can see it's ready for placing the steel. It's ready for placing the steel, but you can see the surface of this farm work. So all farm work is open. Look at this, it's open. Yes, so guys, before placing steel bars, main bars and distribution bars, but steel work, you have to use the plaster on these joints which they have been leave it, but it's open, so it should be covered with the help of plaster tape. You can see this, but anywhere more people are doing it like this, which I've discussed the front of you. So you can see these, this is column. Now this is the other mistake. You can see this is circular column. Be careful, look at this, this is circular column guys, right? But here are 6 numbers of steel bars, you can see, but the shape of the steel is in circular, in rectangular shape. You can see it should be in circular. Look at this, the column is circular, the column is circular, but the steel shape is in square, but it's wrong, it's a mistake. Look at this, 6 numbers of steel bars are okay in circular column, but the shape of the steel bars or the longitudinal bars should be placed in circular shape, not in rectangular or square shape. So this is the other mistake. Now you can see the farm work again. So if you come to stirrups for the beam, so it's open to sky, and you know about this, but it is being rusted, so it's not suitable to use it. Look at this, look at my hand. So it's open to sky, so therefore it's not suitable to use it, because it can decrease the strength of steel. So if you come here to this side, look at this, this is the other circular column. The design is same like that one. Okay, now here are some other mistakes. Let me discuss the front of you. So if you go there, so I'm so far from that, so therefore I'm zooming the camera. So there you can see these are 2 types of column, circular column and also rectangular column. You can see this circular and rectangular column, but here is the minimum spacing between 2 RCC columns, circular and rectangular column, and that is about 4 feet. Okay, but remember guys that 4 feet we can use as a cantilever beam, but it's not okay that they should use the other column the place of that. You can see there, this is circular column steel bars, and this is square column. Okay, the spacing is just 4 feet, so it is make your project too much expensive, but it's wrong, because cantilever beam can support 4 feet chajja, right? So it's mistake. You can see. Now if you come here, this is staircase, but it's okay. This is near with staircase, this is the left, which size is 5 by 7 feet, right? You can see these are the longitudinal bars for, you can see steels, it's open to sky. Please, we should not use these kind of steel bars. That's why, because first of all, if you want to place it for open sky, so it should be painted, but it's not painted. You can see, but it's all rusted. It is being rusted, so it's not suitable to use in construction works. You can see here are the cutting length of the stirrups, but it's open to sky. So guys, just the purpose of this video is that you should not do like this on construction site, because all the steel is open to sky. There is the formwork, and formwork is already open and it's ready for placing the main bars and distribution bars.